So it's really from acknowledging that there is a problem and trying to contribute to the solution to that problem.
Josh, gusto namin malaman, kwento mo naman, paano ka na-inspire na maging involved sa Department ng Agriculture?
I grew up in Pangasinan and I saw my parents also struggle in the field of agriculture. We also have a rice field doon. Tapos, ayan, nung nasa high school ako, ang parang naging foundation ko talaga is research. So, if you will look at my TikTok, ayan, so most of my content there are also about research. And that is something that I'm really passionate about. I was able to also see the real situation of our farmers. Kasi that was 2019, I guess. And during that time, naipasa ang rice tarification law, which is a really controversial law.
Yes.
And nakita rin ng nanay ko yung parang impacts ng rice tarification law. Parang it became an eye-opener din sa akin. Ang dami pang issues. So I decided to shift from agri-biotechnology to best agriculture. Kasi ayun nga yung parang mas practical.
Yeah.
Yung mga ginagawa, like pupunta talaga kami sa farms. Then we have additional subjects like farming systems, kung saan makakapaghalubilo kami with farmers.